The way that Sage Intacct is always listening to the customer, I think is fantastic. They really do listen, and that's really important, I think. My name is Sophie Eustace. I'm the Managing Director of Finance at SIFMA. Before Sage Intacct, we were on Microsoft SL. The inability to have remote access to it was very challenging for us. You know, people are always working remotely and travelling, so we would have to build them a virtual machine so that they could remotely log on to our SQL database to get access to our accounting system. When we were looking at a new system, we wanted to go cloud-based. We did look at NetSuite. We found that it just wasn't as flexible as what Sage Intacct had to offer. For SIFMA, I think it's really important that we partner with someone that does know the not-for-profit space. Whipley absolutely helped us do a complete finance transformation. They're very responsive. I never ever got the feeling that we were being sold. It's more like you're building a genuine relationship that you can move forward with them. The thing I like best about Sage Intacct is definitely the ease of use. It's freed up a lot of our team's time. Our AP clerk has probably saved almost 50% of his job just from being able to process that much faster. We're using that time to now build, dashboards, reporting. When we get requests from our CFO and says, we need X, Y, and Z, it would take us, a week sometimes, depending on what the request is. We're now building him dashboards as soon as we get those requests, so he then can take that information to the executive committee, to the board, to make decisions faster, to help improve our business. And I think that people are starting to see, hang on, this team is producing quality reports that we can make decisions off versus, hey, can you cut me this check, or can you make sure that this vendor gets paid? So we're slowly kind of seeing that change, and it's exciting.